Welcome back, Habit Nation. This is our February edition of Cooking with Coach, and today we have our lovely chef Emily Marquez, and we also have Coach Fuller.
What's up, guys?
And this month we are going to be making
Valentine's conversation heart cakes, and they'll be.
Let's get started.
All right.
So I have to say, first of all, Fuller, you come from a family of bakers, like your mom.
Well, one person.
Okay,
The
one.
rest of the
Really
family's
good.
male, so it doesn't end well for us most of the time.
Okay, so we picked some cookies. It's not hard, but I feel like you have some high expectations. These cookies are
Yes. Yeah, if they don't, my sweet baby Jade's summer job might be at risk here. I may have to find a new place.
All right, guys, make sure we keep a lookout for some jobs for Coach Fuller in the summer.
So here we have 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of softened butter. Oops.
Hello?
There we go.
I do everything backwards because I'm left-handed.
Oh, okay.
So just
That makes sense. I've never been in
It's-
this
we're just-
before.
I've just been wrong my whole life. It's okay. I'm used to it.
Is your mom left-handed?
I don't.
So that's why she's always right.
Yeah, that's what they're.
So in here we have 2.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and salt, and we're gonna fold that into our dough.
Okay, well, the key is to fold it in with a spatula and definitely not a whisk.
When you fold it, like you fold everything at once.
No, just a little bit at a time.
Yeah, see, I was testing you there.
No, we're always learning. Pop quiz.
Pop quiz.
And then here we have 1 whole egg plus an egg yolk and a tablespoon of vanilla. Just add those.
Have you ever cracked an egg with your head?
No, I don't think so. Not on
We'll
purpose.
try that next.
Have you mastered the art of being able to like one hand crack the eggs yet?
Yes.
You just like
Yes, but
just grab and go.
I have tiny hands, so
So they have to be tiny eggs.
They have to be
That
tiny
makes
eggs.
sense.
I only do it if I'm doing baking for my family.
so you can.
So
so you can
Because I can't, yeah, because
if there's a shell, like you don't,
Yeah,
you don't
okay,
care
it's
about them at all. It makes sense.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how are we gonna rate Fuller's baking skills so far?
as of right now, I think I'm giving him a 2. Okay, we're pretty good.
There's a couple things that I get trusted with, like the pudding,
Okay,
the chocolate chip cookies.
so we'll go to your mom's bakery.
That's about it. Yeah, just those two.
Oh.
That's
No
about
cupcakes,
Just
No, no.
cheesecake.
One time, I was very confident. I told her, I said, I can frost a cupcake. Like, let me do it. I got about halfway through one and she took it away. That's about it.
It's a little harder than it looks, to be honest.
Okay.
I thought it looked good, but there's very high expectations.
Well,
So.
very secret
She
mom.
got them with it.
Moms tend to just love everything their kids do, so I'm sure
She
she.
didn't love it.
Oh. You're like a mom.
She didn't love
This is
it.
my
No.
kind of mom.
So in
Okay, so we know you're a math teacher,
Correct.
and now we know you're a son of a baker,
Yep.
and apparently a really good cookie maker.
Well, I didn't say it looked good. I just said I made them.
Can we add that to the list? We don't know yet. We'll find out.
Yeah.
But
To be determined.
continued. Also, what else? What is it that you coach? We talked about you being a coach. What else is
Yeah, so I am the head track and field coach here at Roswell High. This will be my 9th year total in the program, I believe. And then this is my first year doing boys basketball as well.
Nice.
And so that has been a good time. They're both really fun. They overlap, so it makes life a little bit busy.
But that's pretty intense.
But
you have a really
I'm
good
enjoying it.
coaching staff for track, right?
Yes, for both.
Well, obviously.
But track, it's I don't want to say it's easier, but it's a lot less stress because it's once you get things going, like it just kind of goes.
When it's going, it goes.
when it's quote of the day.
wise words.
When it's going, it goes.
A Fullerism.
A Fullerism. That is your daily Fullerism. Come by for more. I have one every day. I like track as well because it's more like there is a team aspect of it. There's a team element, but most of it's built on like individual performances.
Yeah.
And so it's seeing kids kind of take themselves on and compete against themselves is a lot of fun. And then when they reach that peak and they get to where they want to go, or they have a new PR, they have a new record, they qualify for state, they know that like that was me. Like I ran that race myself, and they have a big sense of pride with that. And so that makes track a whole lot of fun for me.
So, rumor has it you never did track. Never.
I did. If you have watched the Kyle podcast, go like and subscribe. I have never done track. In high school, I played golf. I never did track, but I've had some great mentors here over the years that have taught me. I've learned a lot, and I really enjoy learning about it, the body, how to develop the body for speed or for distance, and the effects. A healthy diet.
A lot that goes into track.
Yeah, healthy diet's not like what we're making. But I'm not running track, you know what I'm saying? I can eat a chocolate chip cookie.
He just coaches.
I just coach.
He's so sideline.
I just coach. So yeah, I've enjoyed it, but it was a new experience at first. I had never done it.
So
I feel like it's pretty exciting though, because you also got to learn a lot of new things. I'm sure you've learned a ton and still learning.
100% every day.
So now that you almost have all power, we're gonna add all our lovely chocolate chips, so you don't overmix.
All the chocolate.
Have you ever thought about like a cooking video where it's like only sounds, like all ASMR?
No,
They're all over TikTok.
I have not thought about that.
Here, I dropped one. There's your snack.
Thanks.
Personally, I think that every cookie should have at least like 10 chocolate chips in it.
Any recipe that has chocolate chips, just double it.
See, I don't
That's the
agree.
rule.
You don't like the chocolate chip?
No, I do, but
Just
I think
not-
sometimes
not
there's too
too
many. Like,
Okay, so now we're gonna take our hearts and we're gonna pop them in the oven and we're gonna bake them at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, so now that our cookies are baked, we have some nice vanilla buttercream that Emily whipped up for us. We're gonna decorate our cookies, and we are offering conversation hearts, so we're gonna write a cute little note for our Valentine.
All right.
Ready?
Sure.
All right.
do you have a Valentine for?
This cookie.
Same. I'm gonna start by making a border around mine.
This is the part where my mom will call me and be like, "What were you doing? Don't you know it's supposed to be like this?"
I really wish we can do like a watch party where Mrs. Fuller is.
What we should have done is like call her on FaceTime and it'd be like a live audience.
No.
We really should have. It's okay. We'll let her know. Well, it's actually not too bad.
I mean, close enough for government work. Something, that's what they say.
What they say. Well, I would definitely say that we're gonna probably invite you back for some more practice, but it's not too bad.
I mean, I'm imagining Box was doing this.
Oh, let's not mention
Right.
Box.
Okay.
Last time we had him in here, blueberries flying everywhere.
Yeah, the fire alarms were off in the building. My dad, I don't know. It is.
Okay, so now we're gonna write our cute little note for our Valentine.
This is the impressive part because the surface area of this cookie is not very large for a note.
You know, I've been waiting for that math joke this whole time. There it is. There has to be some kind of like math code, right, to figure out where you're gonna write your letters on the cookies.
Yeah, really, it's just a judge of how much frosting I want to consume in a few minutes.
All right, looks like we're all done. We want to show our cookies. Not too bad, not too bad.
I think mine's better.
Yeah,
They all taste the same.
he's got a point there. Don't forget, Coyotes, that we will have these on sale $5 each, and you get to pick the conversation that you want on your heart. And you can also have a custom cookie made for your Valentine. Well, it's been fun. Thank you, Coach Fuller, for joining us.
Yes, thank you guys for having
I
me.
wish you a great season in track.
Thank you.
And I just want to remind everyone,
Keep cooking, Coyotes.